One sunny afternoon in the forest, a crow found a delicious piece of cheese. Excited, the crow flew to a tall tree and perched on a branch to enjoy its meal. As the crow prepared to eat, a clever fox spotted the cheese and began to think of a way to get it. The fox, known for his cunning tricks, approached the tree and looked up at the crow. "Good afternoon, beautiful crow," the fox said sweetly. "Your feathers are so shiny, and your voice is as melodious as the sweetest music. I've heard that no other bird can sing as beautifully as you." The crow, flattered by the fox's compliments, wanted to prove that her voice was indeed beautiful. She opened her beak to sing, "Caw, caw." But as soon as she did, the cheese fell from her mouth and landed on the ground. The fox quickly snatched the cheese and gobbled it up. "Thank you for the cheese, dear crow," the fox said, licking his lips. "Remember, don't trust flattery." The crow, embarrassed by her mistake, flew away, vowing to never be fooled by sweet words again. The fox walked away, pleased with his cleverness and the tasty cheese.